Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting Delta ready and your ROM in the right place. First, install Delta iOS and allow storage access. This prevents permission errors. Next, move the 99 Nights in the Forest ROM into Delta's ROMs folder. Once done, Delta will detect it automatically. Make a quick save backup by copying Save 0. SRM to iCloud or a local backup folder so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Now you're set to launch the game and begin configuration. You now configure inputs and apply the only way modifications. Open the ROM in Delta, choose Touch Layout or pair your external gamepad, and map essential buttons, movement, action, and menu. Then apply the only way patch file via Delta's Patches menu by importing the IPS or BPS. This ensures Quest logic and triggers work as designed. Make sure emulation speed is 100% and frame skip is 0 for consistent timing. With controls and patch applied, proceed to the early mission steps. You execute the only way run by following the mission-specific sequence and timing. Focus on gathering the torch, avoiding wolf patrols, and reaching the clearing by night 7. These trigger the unique only way ending. Use stealth, crouch before light sources, and manage stamina to avoid alerts. Save regularly at safe zones and export the save after each milestone. If you encounter glitches or a corrupted save, restore the backup save 0. SRM from your iCloud or local folder to recover progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.